Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to check out Harris's 210 Sunliner. You can see the midnight blue fencing with the matte black accent, and we do have the black railing. As you can see, nice seating in the bow. You do have storage under all seats. Plenty of storage with cup holders and USB charging ports on both sides. Here at the helm, you have your JL audio, your 9-inch SIMRAD, wireless charging for your phone, your rocker switches for all your lighting, your power bimini, digital binnacle with active trim. You have a nice big high back helm seat. This is the dual helm seat, so you can have a companion here with cup holders. Back here, you have your battery storage in this nice big lounge with adjustable backrest. As we make our way in the back, you have fender holders, ski tow, more storage. Back here is an integrated cooler, so you don't have to get on the boat when you're at the sandbar, as well as stereo controls down here. If you guys have any questions or want to check this boat out, give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.